Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Sit on My Bits. I hope you all had a good weekend. Just going to do a little bit of trading with Bimbot Pro. So I've just turned a computer on. I just thought I would record the process. So very simple to use. I'm going to use here. You see, you've got all the different robots here. Let me bring this down. Wrong one. There, here. You've got all the different robots here. I'm going to use these top four, like I did on my previous Bimbot Pro video. So I'm going to click on each one of these robots and let them all trade. Now, it's up to you, depending on how you want to do it. You can use all the robots, or I'm just going to say pick these because they've got the bigger profit percentage, you can see there. So I'm just going to pick those four. And that way, I mean, obviously, if you pick all of them, you have got that chance of getting more profits. But then obviously on the flip side, you have got the risk factor as well. So if you've got all 10 open, you could do really well, but then you've got that risk factor. So I'm just gonna pick these four. They trade roughly around every 10 minutes. But if I've got the more you've got open, obviously the more trades. But I'm not gonna go mad and have them all open. I'm just gonna pick these top four with the top highest percentage. Profit percentage. As you can see there, my balance, I've left my total balance in there, and the reason for that is because it trades 10% of your balance. So I've left it in there, and then obviously when it trades, you've got bigger trades and then bigger profits. Obviously there is that risk of the losses. You're going to have a bigger loss, but I'll keep an eye on it. So if it starts to go a bit wrong, I'll turn it off and come back later on or another day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it at this for a bit, and then I'll probably do a withdrawal soon. The reason I haven't done a withdrawal is because I know that this is it's been around for a while. It's been around for a couple of years, and if there was any problems with withdrawals, it wouldn't still be here. So I'm quite confident with that. So I'm going to click Crypto ADX, run that, press them across and run that. So as you can see, I'm just clicking on the different robots, X profit, and then you click run, and then that will then place trades. And then the last one, the Ichimoku Crypto. So click on that one and run that. So now you can see here my robots. I've got the 4 bots all placing trades. And then what I'll do is I'll let it trade for a while, and then I'll come back a bit later on. Is it going to place any while we're here? So it's very, very simple to use. I'll leave a link below if anyone wants to try it. I mean, I know most of you probably have tried it, so I was a bit late to the party with this, like I said before. But yeah, so far as you can see, my balance, it's performing quite well. Bit slow, which is a bit odd for a Monday. Hasn't placed any trades as yet. Is it going to show me any before I pause it? I mean, the good thing with that, obviously, is that it's, like you get with some of these shitty. There you go, 4 trades placed there. What you get with some of these shitty things, which just bang, 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 burns your account out within a day. So you can see it's taken some 4 trades there, around about 4 grand each, whatever I was at, and you can see now that's gone down to 28 grand. So I'm going to let that run, and then I will be back. So rather than wait here waffling for 10 minutes, I'm going to pause the video, and then I'll come back a bit later on when those trades have come in, and we'll see how I've done. Now, a little bit squeaky bum because that's sort of half my profit, but I'm that confident that it's going to that it will perform well. It has done so far. So anyway, I'm not going to waffle. I'll be back shortly. Okay, guys, so those trades have come in. As you can see, my balance is at 44, so I've got a 2 grand loss, but that's still not too bad. What we got, two loss and 2 won. So I'm going to keep that trading, and yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll do another update. I know these reviews are a little bit stop-starty, but if I sit here and think of things to say for the next 10 minutes and do it again for the next 10 minutes, it'll be boring. So I'm going to let that run for a bit longer, and then depending on what the next results like, if it's the same, I'll probably stop it. If the wins if there's more bigger result, then I'll leave it running. But I'm going to let that run. So not too bad. 2 out of 4. Well, I suppose it is bad because I'm 2 grand down. But anyway, I'm going to leave it trading, and we'll see what happens. So I'm just going to pause it. Okay, guys. So it has now placed another What have we got? Another 4 trays. I find it tends to place them in groups of 4, and I presume if you've got more of the robots open, it will do them more. So we've got another excuse me, another 4 open. So yeah, when they come through, probably in about 7-8 minutes, I shall let you know. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, my balance is now up to $54,750. Pleased with that, very pleased with that. If I just so I've taken them off. I've got to go out, so I've stopped all the robots. I don't really want to have them trading while I'm out. I always think it's best to keep an eye on it just in case it takes a turn for the worst. If we just have a look at the trading history, as you can see, yeah, so there's a couple of losses, but the majority of them are wins. So yeah, but I'm pleased with that for an afternoon's trading. Yeah, last one lost there, so it's probably a good job I've just turned it out as I'm going out. So you never know. But if we just go back to the robots, yeah, so very happy with that. 50 sets. What did I start off with? 46. So about $8 profit. So very pleased with that for a trading session. But anyway, I need to go out. Check it out for yourself. Link below the video. Go for it. Do your own research, like I say. Read up on it. You know, check the website out and see what you think. But I just tend to use these top 4 with the highest percentage profit. But if anyone else has got any other robots that are working well for them, let me know. I'll be interested to know. Email me. I'm not putting comments on YouTube because the amount of spam. Email me if anyone's got any tips or anything. I say I'm a bit late to the party with this one, so I'm sure there's people out there that have been using it for a while that might have some tips or like robots that are working well for them. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to waffle. But yeah, so far it's performing well. Like I said, if you want to check it out in your own time, there's a link below the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget thumbs up if you like the videos, and I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Possible new software coming out that I've been told about. Don't know much about it at the minute, but if it does come out, I'm sure to let you know. But yeah, I'll be back with you soon with more updates and reviews. Thank you.